Hi to everyone and welcome. If you want to build your own web page or landing page, you definitely need to use the platforms that can help you with that, because in other case you need to learn the coding, the web design and so on, and it's like too long to be true. That's why we found a perfect tool and perfect solution for you to build anything that you want to build and go online with. That's Leadpages, and today in this video I want to show you the small tutorial of how to edit things, how to build your own landing page fast and easy, and want to show you the core knowledges that you will use to build your own website or landing page. Before I've started to show you all the editing features of this fantastic, powerful platform, I want to say that our team left a link in the description panel of this video, so you can get access to this Leadpages platform with a big discount from our team to our subscribers. So jump in and let's build a website. I want to show you that it's pretty easy and fast, and I'll try to make this video as short as possible, not to waste your time. Before all, you need to log in or start your free trial first of all, but I did it also already, so we jump into the dashboard. Here you can choose landing pages or sites. We're gonna build a landing page. There is a difference actually between that because the website is a big site with a lot of pages, and the landing page is small description website that you can use to land all your potential customers, all your visitors. And if you're running some ad campaigns in Facebook or Instagram or Google, or doesn't matter where, you need to have the spot to land all those people, land all those your potential customers, your visitors, you showing the advertising and you getting new visitors. That's basics. Let's change the page type. For example, it's like sales, lead capture, event. So much things to discover and so much things to build. Definitely you can find your own type, and you can find your own industry, business, marketing, creative services, and so on, and health and wellness, for example. What's happening here? All right, let's just start building random page, random template, and you need to find your own, and you need to be specific, as specific as possible in that case, because you have some type of your business, and probably there are templates that already pre-built for your type of business, so you will save time and efforts to build your own page using the template. That's the basics. Let's build some yoga studio, for example. This is your page name, and in the list you will understand what's happening with your sites, what you're building in. Lead Matter. This is fantastic tool. Also, this shows what conversion can you get. Like when Lead Matter is excellent, that means that your page is pretty well done build and pretty look pretty nice, and everything is working, and that's pretty cool. This Lead Matter shows how your potential customers will consider your web page. So actually, any landing page, the purpose of any landing page is to take the contact information from your visitor. When you get in this information, you can work with that. You can integrate it with your email marketing provider and work with them, send the new updates, send the new items if you're selling something physical, or news, and so on and so on. You're warming up your audience, and in that case your audience will buy something from you with a big pleasure, yeah, because nothing is selling right now with a one touch. You need to contact with your potential customers from time to time and send them valuable information to warm them up. Okay, it's like a little bit about the internet marketing, okay, and sales funnels. So you see that there's just one body section, one body line, and I want to show you what's happening with all these buttons. Layout. You can see the page layout is sections, body and footer. You can add a section here, and I want to show you how to do that. There's pre-built different types of sections that are pre-built already, like call to action, contact us, FAQs, features, hero, and so on. And it's pretty cool that you can use them like instantly. You just choosing which one you want to grab, you're pressing here and it appears right here. That's pretty simple and pretty easy. So here in the layout, you see we added the testimonials page, like block, yeah, section, and testimonials right now is under the footer. So we're just grabbing with this 6 dots, we're just grabbing it and placing where we want it to be. Okay, that's pretty understandable. Everything that you can building with some elements, some widgets. And this is actually everything that you will use, like text, image and text, image, video, button, form, line, and space. You just drag in that and drop in the text. Just drag and you see all this blue boxes, and this is the place where it can be. Here you go. How to work with the text? Probably you know how to work with the text because it's pretty simple and the editor is absolutely clear and understandable. All the editing features with this pencil button, happening with this pencil button. You just clicking on it and here you go. You can change the font straight from here. You can change the type of text, it's normal text, jumbo, like a big heading, or headline, and so on. This is also very important to search engine machines. When you will be online, the search machine will understand that this text is heading 1, or just big like slogan or some else. Also, you can change some features right here. You can make it bold, you can make it different colors, and so on and so on. Just how to edit the text is pretty understandable, and you will figure out it because there's no difficult stuff to explain. Yeah, it's absolutely clear and understandable. All the elements you can duplicate, you can move. You can move this section, you can move this element wherever you want it to be. Okay, and I align this text, I want this one. Okay, that's pretty cool. Just deleting it. The buttons is also very important thing. Why? Because your potential customer, your visitor, need to interact with your page, and you need to apply call to actions to all your landing page. But when somebody will press the button, what's gonna happen? You need to edit the click event for sure. So what's gonna happen here? Open a pop-up. So pop-up form, open calendar pop-up, jump to page section, link to landing page, link to external URL. Now, like, of course, you need to open a pop-up. You press in the edit, and you see what's happening here. Yeah, that's pop-up that will appear. You added in the integrations, and this is very important also. What's gonna happen? Lead notification, it's like pre-built in the platform. You will get notifications about all the people who fulfilled these fields, or you can choose integration, more services. And there are tons of services that you can integrate. For example, you have a GetResponse or MailChimp account, and you can build your own email list. You can grow this the number of your contacts, and or you can integrate everything with the Zapier here, and you can even get to your Gmail box and all the notifications and so on. You need to discover all these things, and if you have like GetResponse or MailChimp or ConvertKit or any of this platform, you can integrate it easily. I don't have one for this project. I don't have one for this to show, but lead notifications is also pretty well, and you just type in your own email and you will get notifications on it. Fields. Here you see only email, and we're gonna add a field. For example, it's gonna be the first name. Okay, you see email and the first name. Let's move it, the first name and email. Okay, that's pretty cool. And actions, what's gonna happen when somebody will fill up the form and press the button. You can redirect it to landing page, to external URL, or remain on page. Or to thank you page, default lead page is thank you page. Let's see how it will be like that, and that's it, because people love when somebody saying thank you. Yeah, okay, I showed you that. So now we know that we have sections, we have a layout of sections, body, testimonials, footer, and so on. You can add a sections, I showed you that. Widgets, I showed you the widgets. Styles, phone styles, page background, page width, favicon, and custom CSS, all the things you can change. Font styles, headline font, text font, cut down font, and so on. The page background, and I told you already. This styles, with this styles, you can change all the styles of the fonts for all the page itself. Here also with this pencil button, you can change the style of this button. You can change the color of this button. For example, it can be like that. I want it to be rounded, for example, or silky row or line. Yeah, see, that's pretty cool. Background and hover text. Let's make a background white, the hover text black. You see, that's pretty cool, but I want it to be square. That looks more fantastic. That's pretty cool. The body, any section, you can edit the section itself pressing on these three dots, edit section settings, and you have a background, you have an image color overlay. This is also very interesting feature. For example, we can add a white color and change the opacity of it. And you see it's it's like a filter that will be over your picture that's on the background. How to change the image? We're canceling this. Change image. And there's my images that I uploaded already. There's premium images. You can buy images from the stock straight away from here. It's like something about $8 per picture. And you can type the keyword to search and so on. Or you can upload straight from your computer, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, the picture is here. And you see it changed. Yeah, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty easy. I will apply the color overlay. Too much. This one is great. This one is great. Okay, and that's pretty cool. The padding, minimum height, arrow border, and timing control. Central top, fit to container, automatically, vertically, and both, and so on and so on. All the things you can change right here. You see this changing the size of your container, the size of your this section, and that looks great. You just type it in the text, you're changing all the things here. You can add straight from here. You can add section above or below. Let's add above, and sections, for example, we need to add the contact us, and that's also important thing, like this form, as we have this form in the pressing button. Yes, pop up, added section settings, color is white, I want the black color for here, and you see that looks pretty fantastic. Or you can apply the background picture, all this contact us things. You can add it also with this things, as I showed you already. Edit integrations, the same thing as here. Fields, add a field, first name, done. First name is the first. Okay, actions, the same thing. Default landing page, thank you page, landing page, external URL, or remaining page. That's pretty it. Actually, what's interesting also, if you want to move these things, you see that there's only just those blue boxes that appears here, and you see this line. You can reshape it as you want. Yeah, you can place it here and here, or you can undo. Just if you messed something up, you can undo this or redo. That's actually the basic knowledge that you can use to build your own web page. And there are tons of pre-made sections and tons of pre-made widgets that you can apply to your page in the order that you want to build actually well done combined landing page, fast and easy. Like we spend less than 20 minutes to build a web page. Of course, you need to have the content, or you can buy that content like pictures and videos, and nobody except you can describe your business better. So this is only your imagination that will work on that, to type all these things, to type all this like text and description of your business, to insert the testimonials if you have them physically, if you have a running business already, and just you can just build it instantly within the minutes. And that's a great feature of this fantastic platform and tool, the Leadpages. And I want to remind you that before you will go to build your own web page, you need to remember that we left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily find that link and get access to Leadpages platform with a big discount for our subscribers. So I hope this all makes sense. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and I wish you good luck in site building, and I wish you big profits. Guys, thank you one more time, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.